Awesome.
Okay,
So,
I thought you said no recording.
no, yeah. It's
Okay,
it's not given. It's for personal. It's for the mentorship
okay.
people. So the mentorship people will have access to it. This is an additional value for the
Okay.
signal people, yeah. So let me share my screen. We lost gold, and then we lost UJ as well. Let's dive into UJ. Last week I showed them my chart. I start from daily. Okay, I taught them a few things because I believe that's not a beginner class. Some of them understands demand zone and supply zone. And of course, they understand some little details about market structure and market chart. So this is my analysis. You can see how it's rough, but the outcome must be superb. So we took sell on UJ on Tuesday. Why do we do that? I taught them something last week about when I come to daily, I saw this thing. One thing you should know in the market, even if you don't know anything in the market, one thing you should know in the market is whenever you see a double top, must be a double top. Some people call it M pattern. Some call it double top. People call double top market will reverse. Then I told them something, which is a big learning for them. Many people know the market will reverse, but how long will it reverse? I studied that myself personally, and by time frame, the amount of time the market will reverse. That's a big study. If that's what you will learn today, you go with that. Because many people don't know. Even professionals know that it will reverse, but how long will it take? Many don't know. Now, market will reverse once it's on a double top in a 5-minute time frame for 10 pips. That market will give you at least 10-15 pips. So you know how much you are targeting. So there's kappa. So kappa knows about the reversal, but you don't know how long. There's kappa on 5 minutes, how you use 10 to 15 pips reversal. On a 15-minute time frame, stock market will give you 20 pips, at least 18, 20 pips upward. We can't determine specifically, but we can predict something around that. On a 30-minute, 1 hour will give you at least 40, 50. So the stronger the time frame, the larger the pips you'll be given. So on a daily, such market will produce 80 pips, 100 of pips. So
can you repeat that again? Sorry, please.
So it's
something you just said now. Sorry to obstruct. Can you repeat that, please?
Okay.
The larger the time frame,
the larger the time frame, yes, the larger time frame, the larger time frame, the amount of pips it will give to you. Some people don't know that. Some people just know, okay, it will reverse, but yet you don't know how much it will reverse, and that's why we think that on key stuff, specific. So if it's on a daily, you should be looking out to 80 pips, 100 of pips.
You're breaking.
And it could even do 500 or 1,000 pips. It could be on one weekly, 1,000 pips, 800 pips, So I broke in that for them last week, and they learned that seriously last week. And we talked about neckline last week. So we saw a double top in the, I'll share my screen now. We saw a double top in the daily time frame.
It's breaking.
Can you see daily top? Can you see the daily top on daily time frame on UJ? So it told us that market will reverse. It tells us that, oh, this market will definitely reverse. That this is the highest psychology level. It's called, once a double top is meeting on a psychology level, it's called psychology level and the neckline and zone. I told them those stops. Psychology levels are levels where buyers, where big boys, big JP Morgans, and those big banks trades, and they watch out for. So those are the most people that push the market. So they watch out for a particular place, and they are putting millions of dollars, billions of dollars into the market. That market will move. So we are just with you $1,000, $200, $500, $10, $50. So we can't move the market. We can't move anything in the market. So we follow them to whatever they do. So that's why we started psychology level. So if this top, this M pattern, or which is also called double top, forms in a I'll show you psychology level. I'll teach you about the psychology level. It's a new class on its own. Forms on a congruent and a stringent push-up psychology level, that market will definitely reverse. However, Market is dynamic and crazy. It could fail to, but 80% of it market reverse. That's why anything you say in financial market, you should always put exceptional rules to it because nothing is certain. Anybody that's telling you anything and doesn't put exceptional rules for you, you will fail. Anything in the market, you should know that there's what exceptional rules. Because the market you'll be doing things for 1999, 2002, 2014, 18, 20, and just 2003. Change that structure. That's the market for you. But if you don't understand such to that extent, you will think that because the past repeats itself, fine, we know that. As well as it repeats itself, it could also break.
Okay,
I'm with you. You say something? Why say something?
No, go ahead. I'm
So
actually at work. I'm actually at work.
Okay, we saw the double
colleague.
And then we come to 4-hour time frame. We know that this is a sell market actually, because you look out for trend. From here, though it was a trend market, it was a buy market. From here, I come to my daily, I see it as a trend. This is a buy market. But inside it's a trend, a upward market. But because the market is an upward, doesn't mean that market will not sell. It is upward, doesn't mean to sell. It will do more buy and sells. It will definitely still sell, but the market is just an upward. So you know it's an upward, but we want to look at possible what is exactly doing. I call my daily as the full day time frame. Why I call my 4-hour the main time frame. Why I call my 1 hour the current. Why I call my 15 minutes time frame as entering time frame. So I come to my 4 to check the main. I saw that the main thing is what? A downtrend. It has done a double top for us. It has done market moving work structure in waves. Elliott waves. Bam, 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 bam. You know that? Let me draw it out for you.
Yes.
Market move is Elliott waves. Okay. Market moves in waves. Downtrend. The downtrend market, that's how it will move. Uptrend market will move like this. Like this. Aftermarket will move like this. Can you see? You can come here, you can move like this in the zigzag, right? That's an upward market. Please, can you go on the gem, please? So why that is done? So our market will move like that, and then so that is for this. So I already knew that this is what. Let me cleanse all this. So this is a sell market in the 4-hour time frame. It is sell market in the 4-hour time frame. So we are looking for sell in that structure. And what the market will try to present to us.
Will I call it triple top now?
At where?
No, don't mind me. I'm just soliloquizing, thinking out loud. I think I'm seeing a little above the trend line, 3, not double top now.
Okay.
And there's 1, 2, 3, right?
Okay.
So does that mean a reversal? Possibility. This is 4-hour time frame, right?
Yeah, this 4-hour time frame.
And it's more of a sell.
Exactly. So it has already shown.
What I'm saying is, now where you have the trend line broken.
Okay.
I'm seeing it looks like there are three tops that is respecting that green line. So a sharper sell or reversal because you said once there's a double top, there's tendency of reversal. Right? If I get it clearly.
Exactly. Yeah, sure.
Exactly. I'm trying to just analyze what you have on the screen right now.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Good. Now you have where the trend line is taking over. You have 1, 2, 3 cells. Then it goes back up to respect and comes down again. So I'm not asking with this and your explanation, are we looking at a reversal or a steeper sale?
No, I'm only talking about what happened last week. We are not projecting towards what is happening next week. We are already what happened last week was we already saw that this double top happens when it started a double top, started its reversal itself. That was Tuesday, 14th of November. It sold extensively, we retested. Sold, we tested.
Yes.
Tested. Then it came to Tuesday last week, which was is it 21st and 2nd or so, or 20th, and it came here. So when we tested here, we look for our entry around this place, and I told them something about neckline. The market will broke neckline. Once market breaks through neckline, it will come back to that neckline. I'll teach you neckline. This is what called neckline. Come back to that neckline and go forward. Let me teach you neckline. This is what called neckline. This is what called neckline. Sometimes markets, I said yesterday, I told them last week that markets sometimes could reject it. As I said, anything you are saying in the financial market, you should put towards an exceptional rule. You should put an exceptional rule because
I'll try to get you to meet you up.
Okay, this is what's called. This is a downtrend market, right? Now, if anything happens here, this place, can you see marking? Those markings that I did. This place, can you see now? Those markings, they are what's called necklines. Market respects those places a lot. If the market breaks through this place, it will come back to that place. Now, let me show you what I just did now in the market now. It only seems to understand that neckline. See, let me show you.
I still have a lot to learn now. Hey, good.
Let me show you this. So
I'm still working with MT4, but this is not MT4 now.
This is no, don't use that. Oh my god, this is live, this is trading view. You don't need, oh my god, you're still a beginner. MT4 is rubbish. What they project is rubbish. This, they are doing their best. You can even subscribe to them on subscription on them. It's the best. They'll give you live what is happening in live. The candlestick are live. MT4 candlestick is rubbish. What this thing will show to you, MT4 will show you something else. This one will show you 3 candles as open. MT4 will show you 2 candles or something. It's rubbish. It's rubbish.
I'm telling you.
Trading view, you can come out on trading view. Just register. Okay, I'll teach you that as a beginner. Just register on trading view. Just type trading view chat on Google.
Yes, I actually came on board on trading view. I came on board trading view yesterday, but I've not really mastered it. That's
trading view here. So come on board, you're able to analyze your chart like this. That's the best. Rubbish is MT4. It's also so rubbish. So see now, so what I just told you, see, pam. That was called what? Downtrend line. What I call neckline is this. This line, this is my line, this is my line here, this is my neckline. This is my line here, this is my line here. Those are necklines. Those are what's called necklines. Market always come back there. See now, this one, market pull out, it came back to that place. Came back to that neckline. He pulled away from it, came back to this neckline. He pulled away from it again, came back to this place. So this middle, I think it's coming back, it's called necklines. Do you understand? Should I come again?
Yeah, clear.
Those market, you understand those structures, you will understand more things. So that's part. It came back to a neckline. So market will always come back to a neckline place. Once you go, come back to that neckline place. So at times it breaks through. Like you say, in the market, there are exceptionals in the market. You can't stick to one thing. Even though there are but that's why you said risk management is still the only goal because of what? The uncertainty that occur in the market at times. So that is it. So let's go back to our listing. So that is for neckline. So you understand neckline now. Let's go back to let's go back to our top. So market has been doing that same downward. Once we reversed downward, it came to this place. We know that this is a neckline. To come back to this place and what fall. And then don't forget that we have a this thing here. We have a trend line here. We have a trend line here. This is a trend line. Let me show you. We have a trend line on this daily. So it will fall to that trend line and continue the trend line here. It will fall to the and come to this trend line, then continue it by. Yeah, that was the projection. However, market came to that place as expected. It came there as expected. It came there as expected. It do as if it was coming. Since it was coming, then boom, bam, we lost it. That's what we call what exceptional. These are what we call complexity in the market. That's why market. So you could think rationals will always take this as safe. Except what other things you could only do that would change your mind is to wait for confirmation. If that market will get to this place and see the reaction. But if you didn't wait, if you're taking it from here, which is a sniper entry, taking it from here, definitely my market will lose the market because of what? This is a downtrend. You don't expect the market to come. And it has been doing a normal structure market. So the next thing is you should come back to that place again and just still pull back. But from here, you should be looking for a buy because of what? It's a trend line. Trend line acts at what? Demand and supply zone. That's something to another class on its own. We'll teach about that. So it's a risk. The market fails to come back to this place, which is I'll be coming back today. And boom, it went up. So while it was going up, I just saw this rejection. I knew this market might go up. Oh, there's what called rejection candlestick. These are rejections. This stuff, this stick. When the market leaves a week, go and drop a weeks. This week, no weeks bar. These are weeks.
Yeah.
This is called rejection. Means like saw this thing on what 4-hour time frame. And it's me my reversal. Let's see how it goes. And again, the overall was a buy. So the strength of the buyers was much. And that rejection pushed it up and boom, we lost the market. However, see what it's doing again. It's possible selling is coming up again. After you reach that market, you reach here, it still failed to go up. It has reached here, it's expected to what? We test, normal. Then it tested. Then its market is what to go up again to show to us that what this market has turned continuing in a buy market.
The buying, yes.
Because it's always high, lower, low. High, lower, low. High, that's what market moves. Lower, low, high. Lower, low, lower, high. Lower, low, lower, lower. So it has done what? A higher high. A lower, low, the next move to what? Higher, high. If you are those who take a buy here, if you are not wise enough, from here, if you're ready to see some stuff here, you should take a profit because it's failing to do what higher. Then you do lower low again, then higher. Then you can now come here again and do a lower low and rejected as usual, or still pull up because market is what crazy. Just watch. And I told them that you don't use one conferences to determine the movement of the market. You use 3-4 conferences. I use up to 4 conferences to determine the market. You must show me 4 to 5 conferences, at least 3. Because of you see double top, you say, it will sell, we know. But how many conferences are you using? Just one, you will cry. Because once you enter buy, sell, I used to think that as you enter buy, sell, is it possible that can we just reduce, when I was saying maybe, can we reduce that? I think I've used one lot size. Can we reduce that one size to 0.01? So you won't lose much. You cannot use it again. You think about that too. Do you think about that too? After you've used like
of course.
So market is not going against you. Can I just reduce this lot size? Not that you're in volume. Just reduce this lot size to 1 so I will not lose much. Can you do that? It's not possible.
It's not working.
The only thing you can adjust is your lot size and your profit. I'm like, oh my god, how am I this thing not working? I should put it in this way. You can't. The market is like that. You can't. So that's why you should be careful for you. So once you go, you can't reduce that lot size again. If it's against you, it's against you. So this is even looking more of sell because it's struggling to pull higher and it does go higher.
To go higher.
So it's from lower
But
time.
then, sorry, I just want to ask a question. Now, I have had one or two other trainings where you also use candlestick to determine. I'm just trying to still analyze what we're looking at right now, where you have candlesticks to determine the trend. Now, if you look at before it broke the trend line, no, don't go. Okay, yes, where you have those weeks that is giving you the reversal. Good. Now, the first green indicates more buyers.
Okay. Engulfing candle.
Yes. Good.
It's called engulfing candle.
Engulfing candle. If you check after that, you have 1, 2, 3 again, green, engulfing again, and it is higher than the first point. Right? Now, if you still go further, where it actually broke the trend line, the second spot, you still have buyers taking charge, if I'm correct. Are you with me?
Okay.
Now, after that, after breaking the trend line, if you still go further, you still have buyers with stronger forces.
Okay.
Now, could this portray potential, even though I can see it has already reached the
peak
resistance level? Yes.
Level, okay.
But then there's still tendency of more buys.
Okay.
What do you think?
Okay, it's only creating a resistance. We can't say it's a resistance level actually. A resistance level is still a level whereby one week, 1 month is showing resistance. So market can still go there anytime. It's only showing a short. Why is it showing this thing? So I plotted green line. Can you see? Green line.
Yes.
Green line. Those are what's called psychology levels. I told them last week. Psychology.
Okay, psychology level. Okay.
That's the level is expecting. Market will expect that level. See now, this year is expected that level. See this place you expected the level. See this one too, expected the level here. Let me move it for you. This one expected the level here. See, market the very full level here. See, level here. See, level here. I will show you how to plot it. It's not just by this one. So this one has come back now. Expecting that level. That's what I remember. I told you that there are levels where big banks also control the market. Watch, and they want to buy or they want to sell. So they still have some big inputs in the market and some manipulations. So before the market will even go further, that level must be expected. So still expecting the level 1, 2 to rise. So it can further push or come back. Then lower time frame will determine more. We'll tell you more. We'll get it. So that's why we'll tell you more with the candlestick that you are saying lower time frame. We'll be able to tell you more that this market might pull back or still continue in the buy. So we'll get that. That's for a lower time frame level.
Okay.
So after this market just pull back, because during this place now, we didn't enter from 4 hour here. We look downward to enter. We check our 1 hour, then we come back to 1 hour. Can you see now? 1 hour is already show rejection here. Rejection about coming down. We tested and it's meant to what? Come down the more. We test, come down the more, and break through this place, take away this place, and come back here like this. And come back here like this. But it fails to. It fails to. Then it breaks. You don't forget the next line I told you. Once the market breaks to next line and tests it to buy. Note that one too. Note that. Note that. Once the market broke through neckline upward and we test on that, it will come back and we tell to buy. That market will buy. Once the market broke below neckline and we test, that market will sell. That's what happened here now. Markets we tested below this neckline is meant to sell, but otherwise it came up. It's bought instead. As I've said, there is always what exceptional moves in the market. Though the market might be doing some things, a particular thing, a time can come, it can change it. So risk management is still the best. When it changes it, you will be guided. So it will be guided. So that's why we found an entry at what 15 minutes time frame. That's where we found our entry. That's where we found our entry and we entered. Yeah, I think on Tuesday. And we entered around here. Yeah, Tuesday. We entered around here. Market sold. We tested. We are thinking to continue to sell again. Then we sold to this place. We said we should come down and take away these previous ones. Then boom, went up. Already went up. If you come, you can't take that buy. You have to come back to this neckline, and exactly came back against this neckline to buy. This is the place you can buy the market. This is the place you can have to wait for that neckline. There is boom. Don't forget, I told you neckline is what? Middle of where market will go. This kind of stops. Neckline.
Middle of what?
Where market will go. This kind of stuff. Bam. These are necklines. These are necklines. These are necklines. Can you see? So can you see? That's the social that just happened here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the neckline. Bam. See the neckline. My line is not straight. See the neckline. See the neckline. So market will always what? Come to that neckline, back to that neckline. This one too is what? It's still coming to this what? Neckline here. And it came here too. Let's move it. Then it's what? Then it went off. So that is the movement of the market. You can master that one. You know one thing in the market for sure. There are two other things to know, but you can master that. At least you will know one thing in the market. Like, okay, oh, this is what I'm expecting in the market. You know what one thing in the market. So that's how we entered the market, and we saw it. So the loss was due to market complexity. I don't see us being wrong. And again, because it was an upward market. So that's why people say you can never get it wrong. See, it will come below. Say sometimes it might come below that neckline. No, sometimes it might come below that neckline. It doesn't mean that market is invalid. Those are some of the exceptionals you have to learn in the market, and with experience, you will know more. Market you. So these are the so why we lost the market wasn't because we were wrong, but because of market complexity. Sometimes it just happens. Market complexity. You can just happen in the market. It could just be that some manipulators came in and then do both the market and then we retailers have to and then cut away our this thing out. Stop loss. Boom. Take care of our stop loss out. Let's look at the gold. Why we lost gold yesterday? Because gold, okay, let me go to gold. Gold has been, it started with, we watched gold very closely before its commencement, and it commenced itself. That was on Thursday or so. Why did it commence itself on Thursday? We were so sure that gold did high here, and this trend line is coming from weekly. Can you see this thing? Let me zoom in for you.
Okay.
There is a trend. Let me go to weekly. There is a trend line. Don't forget, I tell you, the higher your this thing, see. This place what as at May, he tested 100 and dropped a week. April, he tested 100 drop a week. Let's go. See this one too. 2002 okay. March, it dropped a week. This stays center place. So we know that gold is going to its height. That's why you don't say a resistance in the middle of in a small place. You can come check for the higher time frame. What is the high? See the resistance now. Let's now look at it. To some extent, this seems to be the least. So as at 2022, gold tested around here. So we had a trend line that was fluctuating from that place down to this place.
Okay.
So when you get to October, it did the same thing. Definitely, that is the height gold can get to. So that's why we knew.
Okay, October, yes. Okay.
It did. So it's always getting away. So now there is even bought yesterday. It's still selling. So the bought happened because of what? market complexity, or probably the sell is not yet fully mature. That's the little. See now, it has already got to the sale. It bought. It now bought yesterday and take away our XL. And maybe you can remember that some of those stocks over there we checked were dropping a week. So possibly you want to still go bought a bit further and drop a massive week, then it will now sell comfortably. Massive one. You can do sell for the whole week because this market is still a sell market. See these two injections I'm saying here. These are what candlestick printing. Can you see what I'm circling? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Those are powerful stops. These are powerful engulfing. These are powerful stops. They are called rejection, candle rejection. That two things is a rejection. I'm saying that's rejection. So this market might still buy, but the buy will not just be long.
Sorry, can you help with a clearer explanation? Why do you see it as a rejection?
Because buyers is coming in. Buyers is coming. There are buyers in the market. They are coming. It's a sell market. It's an upper market. Buyers are coming in. They get to this place. Sellers they just injected. The amount of, let's say, like 10 buyers. 10 out of 10, it became 7. Three of them became seller. They joined the sellers. 7 they only left. Now, from this one too again, sellers they still want to continue their buying again. Sellers injected them again. So remember these 3 from these buyers have joined these people. Sellers injected them, but there are still more in the market because there are many have been coming. So these 2 injections, once I see another 3 injection again, it's showing what? Multiple injections, showing that injection is coming to that market. You get me?
Okay.
Showing that market might not be now, but it's showing it's printing something in the market that sellers are coming in. That this market is sellers are rejecting them. And you see this one, and sellers are rejecting them. So anyway you see rejections, let me show you another one. You want to see this strong rejection here? Something like this. See,
so
rejected,
much.
and it came back from
1,
here.
2, 3.
And came back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it's called multiple rejection. Once you see multiple rejections, that market will sell. However, you must combine it with other competencies. That's why we say FOREX is what? How rules and exceptional rules. You must have the rules,
I give it to you. Next one.
And the exceptional rules. So this market will still buy. But the buy is determined by a candlestick in the lower time frame. Yeah, you come down to come and check.
Okay.
Yeah, the buy will become in. So now it's buying. At that last week when we sold because we saw this double top and it gave us about 300 or something pips. This double top here. Can you see? This double top here.
Yeah.
What on a psychology level? That's the 2 conferences. 2 conferences already. Psychology level, and then we now look up again. We saw this zone. That's the highest zone. The other go that switched to. That's 3rd. Then we come to lower time frame and watch what will happen again. That's 3rd conferences. And they watch again. That was on Thursday. Let's see. That was on Thursday. And on Thursday also, it did what? A double top of confirmation. Then we sold. The entire sell market here, then we sold. And again, it has come back and it tested here. Then we sold. This market was extensive. That's why it sold extensively. And it did about 300 pips or so. It sold extensively. 200 pips or so. It came back and it still sell till this place. So we thought since that beginning has started, it will continue. As I said, market is crazy. Risk management is still the best. That's why people tell you that if you have master risk management, if you told me that you know market, I will ask you about risk management. If you master management, you can profit in the market because you always profit and lose it away. If you have master risk management, you will profit and remain with you. If you tell me that you trade every day, I will know that you are losing money. I will just know you are losing money. Because there's no way you can be trading this market every day. It should be a day that is particular, some days also that works for you. And also risk management. Once you master risk management, you profit easily. Your losses will be very minimal and your profits will be low. So that's
I need this desperately.
What's that? What?
No, go ahead. I said I need this desperately.
So that is why. So this market might still buy a bit. Remember, this is a zone that we plotted, and it keeps respecting that zone. So that market is possibly going to exploit C. When we sold it on Thursday, it came and do double top. Don't forget, I told you double top was reversed, and it sold extensively. So it's coming back again. Maybe if it broke through this place, I knew it's coming back to this back place again. I knew it. I knew this sell would be going on. I just knew market is coming back. And if market now fail to test this place, break through this zone, this pink zone you can see, this pink zone you can see. We'll come back to this place, come and test. We will be looking for sure buy. Right, that means it has broken that trend of what 2022. You want to come and buy. That means what. But if market gets here, is do that rejection I showed you. See these two rejections. All this way. You drop one, you go, you come back, you drop another one, you come back, you drop like 2 or 3. This market will sell. Then we'll come to a lower time frame, 15 time frame, and find end trend. Or you can find a double top again or M pattern. Some people call it M pattern, why some call it double top. Or you can find that again in the lower time frame, will sell. The market will definitely sell. You can just do a bit of buy, do extensively plan to sell. So why we lost gold yesterday too was probably because I think one, market complexity, not because we are wrong. Market complexity, and second of it was still on the upward market. It's trend. The sign of back is still very strong. And it's an upward market from the daily. This is what we call upward market. It's still on the buy market upward. So buyers are more still on the upward market. And then that's why people say don't counter trend. Make sure you follow the trend and do what the trend is doing. You cannot be much wrong when you're following the trend. So when people just follow trend, that's why you say, at least that's why even though if you are newbie or you don't know anything in market, sometimes you buy and then you sell. It will favor you. First of all, it's always when you buy and sell. That's why it will always favor you. So it's because it's a trend market. That is a trend market. So probably one, and also complexity of the market that happens. Probably lost it. Most probably because it was a trend market, but buyers are still more in the market. And probably because it has not yet got into that place. Oh, that place is the neckline. Yeah, it's come back there. Market will sell. There's something. Let me tell you something again. For every neckline, I see it as okay. I see it as three ways now. When for us we are going, and then you see a big small gutter, you can easily put your leg and cross it palm. But if the gutter is big, then you can even carry your leg. What will you do? Let me come again.
If it's big,
going, they're going all these government gutters that they do. Some of them are just small, 3 feet. Oh, yeah, 2 feet, 4 feet. If it's like gutter, like the gutter is like 6 or 5 or 4 feet, I can't even spread your leg and climb over. What will you do? You will never come back. And probably
you take few steps back and yes, full force.
That's what market is to do. That's what market is to do. Sometimes you see market like this. It's coming back. There's a rejection. There's a gutter there. So the gutter is bigger than him to just go free, easily just climb through. You see like this. You want to come back and what? Bam! That is what EURJPY did yesterday. It's failing to and so why can't you do that thing? Failing to come back. That gutter is big. So that injection, that point is thick for him. He has not really hit there before. You have to come back and get his breath, energy drink, everything, right? Then cross the gutter. That's what market is to do. So the market is to do is also, if you see a neckline, you have to come there and reverse. For example, now, Yoruba people believe, all the Yorubas, they believe that you can't pass through king or cannot say hello to the king or something like that. Say, you go to Kabiyesi. Everybody that comes, you say Kabiyesi, hey, the king, Igwe, something like that now, Igwe. So something like that. So market also do that in the market too. A neckline to bow down to that place 2-3 times before it go. It will respect that place. So you can expect that place here now. One, it's come and expect it here. That's what market is doing. That's why it's yesterday. It expected it yesterday, and that place we sold it extensively on Thursday. Market now come back again to this place too, and come and it's come back to respect this place again. So market is to what respect zones. It's really good. Expect come to that zone, bow down, go. Another person will come again, bow down, go. Another person will come in. That's what it's doing before it moves. I'm going to success. Come and say, now spread the stuff to him and then he can go. That's what markets to do. Those two things markets should do very, very well. Very, very well. So I believe this market is going to buy. At the opening of Tokyo session on Sunday, it will definitely buy. They'll probably buy New York session because dollar move gold more. So by its session, that determine the movement of gold mostly. So by extension, it may now come to this around this place, then it's testing. Once you see confirmation on lower time frame, will sell good. I will even take this sell because it's going to be an 8-1. It's going to be an 8-1. It's 8-1, boom, it will sell. It can even come to this way. It sell might be 200 or 300 or something. So that's the projection.
Wow.
For what you're looking at for the market. Any question or anything? I don't know if you have any question or any clarification or anything.
No, I think I'm good with your explanations, and it's actually showing. And you know, when you can see something brighter, there's this so much excitement. Like, whoa, you've actually been seeing this, but you never took time to know that this is what it really is. That's a good one.
It's fine. It's fine. So that is it. So as time goes on, so we also teach you because there's some mindset you have to get in the market that will help you a lot. Many people have thought about FOREX has to make money, fine, but they don't get the mindset right. So as some other classes will also be try to help our traders and our VIP at least, so it could be fine. So that is that for today, and I hope. Oh, did I start the record? Is this still going?
Yes, it's still on.
It's still on, Abi. Awesome. Okay, stop. Okay. Is this still on? Let me see. Okay, still going. Awesome. That's good. So our student can take that. So that is it. So again, we'll meet again next week Saturday. It's as usual, 10 a.m. every Saturday like that. So we do it for our VIP so they can, of course, get additional value for what they pay for. Thanks so much, Adeyinka. I really love your time, spending your time to learn this. I so much love it when someone is even more than the money and they want to get the knowledge because that's what will help you in the long run. That's what will help you in the long run. You say the thing that you can do even when you're retired from your work or anything.
It's breaking. I can't hear you again.
I said, it's even a thing that anyone can do. When you retire from work or anything, you're just be making money. Oh, it's easy stuff anywhere in the world and you can do it. So it's such a nice time having you around. I really appreciate your time and the desire to learn. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
Sorry, I'm not getting you.
Christy, can you hear me?
Yes, it was breaking. I didn't. I can hear you now.
I said I really appreciate your time to share and your passion for learning. I really appreciate. I love that so much.
I appreciate it. This is even wonderful for me. Like it's more or less like a one-on-one.
Awesome.
Rather than having so many people come on board.
Awesome.
This is awesome.
Awesome. You can drop your
I appreciate
review.
Nice one.
You're welcome, please. And you can drop your review on the group and what you learn, stuff like that. So that's cool. Could know some things. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that. We meet again next week by 10 a.m. in the morning as usual. Bye for now.